Season 5 of Dark War Survival has finally arrived on our server. We've survived the harsh desert, endured the frozen wastelands, and now, a new threat has emerged, the Miasma Virus. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the new Miasma Virus system in Season 5, so you can kickstart your journey faster and smarter. Resistance. Just like the previous seasons, Season 5 also features a resistance system. But this time it's called virus resistance instead of cold resistance. Don't worry, it works the same way. You'll need virus resistance to fight world map zombies, like the Rotting Oni, which can be attacked solo, and the Booze Brute, which requires a rally. Virus resistance also plays a key role in capturing cities. For example, to capture a level 1 city, you'll need at least 1,500 virus resistance. If your resistance is lower, your troops will suffer a damage penalty. If you have 400 virus resistance, but the enemy requires 1,000, their troops' damage will be reduced by 60%. But you can still win the fight if your troop CP is strong enough. Season Buildings. To build your resistance, tap this tile icon to the Season Building page. Season 5 buildings work just like before. To raise your virus resistance, you must construct and upgrade the Oni Seal Hall. You can also purchase the weekly pass to instantly grant 250 virus resistance, a 20% march speed bonus against zombies, and unlock an extra quartz factory. Quartz is one of the resources used to build and upgrade your season structures. You'll also need stone, another season resource, though stone can't be produced directly. You must gather it from zombie first kill rewards, season passes, and Miasma Stack rewards. Other buildings work similarly with a new name and graphic. Miasma Virus System. Now let's talk about the heart of this season, the Miasma Virus. Your shelter can become infected in multiple ways. Tap the virus icon to open the Miasma page, and you'll see how many Miasma stacks your shelter currently has. If your shelter is infected, a timer will show here. This timer indicates the time left for the Miasma stacks to vanish. In other words, your shelter will heal or purify itself gradually from the virus. As your Miasma stacks rise, you will receive debuffs. For example, at 20 stacks, your troop damage will drop by 2.5%. Once your shelter reaches 100 stacks, it will be destroyed and randomly teleported after a 30-second countdown. But that's not all, nearby shelters will also be infected with 25 Miasma stacks. Then your own stacks will reset to 0. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Achievement Rewards. Anyway, we need the Miasma Stacks to unlock the achievement rewards. Each achievement includes multiple collection rewards, including a recruitment ticket, boost ore, and stone. The first achievement will be fully redeemed once you reach 100 stacks of virus. The third reward requires you to spread Miasma Stacks. We can do it by accumulating 100 stacks of virus and spreading 25 stacks to each shelter surrounding your shelter. To complete 500 spread quickly, we must find a spot with as many shelter surroundings as possible. With 7 surrounding shelters, you can spread 175 Miasma stacks in one shot. After your shelter is destroyed, teleport to the same spot and send scouts to purify the Miasma stacks on the ally shelters. This will help you quickly complete the second achievement, up to 300 purifications. Besides, you can disable the ally healing when working to get more Miasma stacks. The Miasma stacks will turn gray, and your ally can't purify for you. Once you have completed all achievements, remember to turn it back on so other members can help you reduce the Miasma stacks. Get virus. So, how do you get Miasma stacks? There are a few ways. First, you can get infected when you attack a zombie with a higher resistance requirement than yours. The infection chance is based on the damage reduction percentage. For example, when attacking a level 9 Rotting Oni, the damage reduction was 60%. Thus, the troop will have a 60% chance of getting Miasma Stacks, even if it wins the fight and brings it back to the shelter. The Miasma Stacks at the top left corner are also based on the reduction of damage. For example, 60% is equivalent to 6 stacks. When attacking a zombie, you can turn on the shelter light to reduce the chances of infection. However, the shelter light will be unavailable if your Miasma Stack is beyond 40. On the other hand, you can turn the light off to get the Miasma Stack fast. Shelter attacks will also spread or infect the losing side. Meanwhile, when the Blood Moon arrives, all shelters will instantly reach 40 Miasma Stacks. It is all about the virus system in Season 5. We will cover more topics in Season 5 once we advance further. Please like and share this video with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.